guys, my mom hid toys in here, so I'm gonna have to find stuff, but yeah. So, ready to find this with me? Oh, the gooeys. I see something already. So, guys, just so you know, if you buy this slime, it's pretty messy. Ooh, I found another one. Oh, I see another one. I see the ball. Is there anything else?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel it. I feel it. I see it. Is there anything else?
I don't know. Check and see.
There's not. There's not. I can believe it. There's not anywhere. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.